Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this question together on the board. We have 4 to the power of x multiplied by 8 to the power of x is equal to 128. And we're asked to find the value of x in this equation. We say solution 4 to the power of x multiplied by 8x is equal to 128, right? Now, this is 4, which is 2 multiplied by 2. That will give you 4, and that is 2 squared. And 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and that is 2 to the power of 3, right? So let's rewrite this. So we have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 all squared is equal to 128. So we're going to be multiplying the powers. We're using an exponential rule. So to multiply the powers, we have 2 to the power of 2x multiplied by 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 128. Okay? Now, here, when you have an illustration like a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y, the bases are equal, are the same. So we can multiply, we can add the power. So we have a to the power of x plus y. So we'll be doing the same thing here. So this becomes 2 to the power of 2x plus 3x is equal to 128. Here we'll have 2 to the power of 5x is equal to 128. Now, because we have this in base 2, and we can rewrite 128 in base 2, and that would give us 2 to the power of 5x is equal to 128, right? So when we write 128 in base 2, it will be giving us 2 to the power of 5x is equal to 2 to the power of 7. So 2 multiplied by 2 in 7 times is going to give you 128. So now, because we have that these bases are the same, we can equate the powers. Okay, so this becomes 5x is equal to 7. And we are looking for the value of x in this equation. So we divide both sides by 5. Okay, do that here. We have 5x over 5 is equal to 7 over 5. 5 cancel 5, so x is equal to 7 over 5. Let's verify. Now verify. Our answer for x is 7 all over 5. And our initial question is this, so which is 2 to the power of 2 raised to x multiplied by 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 128. If you're just joining me for the first time, don't forget to like, drop your comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's continue. So this is 2 to the power of 3, 2x plus 2x plus 3x is going to give us 5x, and that equals to 128. Don't forget, we have our value of x already, and we're trying to verify this equation. So 2 to the power of 5, our x is what? 7 all over 5 equal to 128. Because we are verifying, we are putting a question mark here. So 5 can cancel 5. So we see that 2 to the power of 1 is here. 1 times 7 is 7. Is equal to 128? And when you do 2 multiplied by 2 in 7 places, it's going to give you 128, and that is equal to 128. Therefore, our left hand side is equal to is the same thing as our right hand side. Our value for x, 7 over 5, is correct. Bye bye. See you in my next video.